everyone, a hearty welcome to Smile Kids channel. Here you can see that I'm programming in Python. Oh, the text is too small, it's not even visible. So how to make the text size big? So in this video, we're going to see how to increase the text size. So let's get started. So here you'll be able to see few options, right? Like File, Edit, Shell, Debug options, Window and Help. Go to the Options tab. You'll be able to see the drop down. Go to the first one, that is Configure IDLE. When you click on that, this page appears. So here we are having fonts or tabs. So in that, you have to go to size and make it up to 20. And if you want to bold, then you can click on bold. In case you want any other font, then you can select any of these. So for now, I'm clicking on OK. So here you will be able to see that my text has become a little big than usual. Now we are able to see the text clearly. Let me type something and show you. Let me press enter. And here you go. You are able to see the text clearly, right? Hope this is helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials on Python. Thank you.